Today, we start the last job of the year. And if you see outside, there's a dusting of snow and the weather isn't exactly holding up, but that's okay, because there's two types of jobs that we can do when the weather starts to break. One, paver repair, because we're bringing less material from the front to the back. And two, brick driveways, because we're working off the street and not having to travel over the mushy grass. Today, we're doing brick paver repair of a 30-year-old driveway. It really doesn't get any better. Alright, while my guys pull up the pavers, I'm going to work on getting the concrete that's over by the front area pulled up. It seems that this driveway was put down two different ways. One, the driveway on top of aggregate, which is correct. Two, the walkway was installed on top of a concrete walk. Concrete had settled and cracked over time, which caused the brick pavers on the top to dogtooth either way on both sides, causing a hazard. We're going to pull that concrete out and set 100% of the pavers on top of aggregate. Alright, once the pavers are pulled up, we have to remove as much good sand as possible, stockpile it, because we'll use that later. I enjoy this part. We're cracking up half of the paver base, and I get in the big machines and romp around to loosen it up. We're going to remove that and install some 3M. In the bed of the truck to show you exactly what the 3-inch looks like. Bigger stone that we're going to smash into the grade 8 base to fortify it. Next we're going to throw down the Unilock drive grid. This is a mesh that's triangular and 3/4 of an inch in size, allowing gravel on top of it to be held in suspension if any gravel underneath it is to settle over time. We use steel 2x4s to make sure that every lift of gravel is consistent in between every layer of compaction. This part is not my favorite, but it is the most important, and I ensure to do it every time we lay pavers. I get on my hands and knees, we crack up the top bit of the gravel to make it perfectly level. Next, my boy Jose is going to take a thin layer of sand and get it even more level. Alright, while half the group finishes up with the sand, I like to take the other half of the group and lay out string lines and get my brick pavers started. That way we're all working as efficiently as possible and getting the job done. This project in particular is going to take a little bit more effort because I gave them a pretty significant upgrade. We're going to be putting a big circle inlay. So we're not just starting the pavers once, we're starting them 3 times. Even though it's a complicated pattern to lay, the pavers are going down really fast because we're working like a team, but we've broken into 3 groups to get 3 jobs done at once. Well, the guys are finishing setting the last few bricks. Jose and I are going to mark and cut the pattern in. Your pants. blowing off the concrete dust, as you can see over my shoulder. It's a dust cloud, it's quite a bit. Tomorrow, we're coming back for polymeric sand. That was a long but productive day. I'm pretty happy with what's gotten done. I'm on my way to the job site. Today is just polymeric sand. We're going to compact it in, activate it with water. This project will be done. Let's use this for social media. Why would somebody plant a bush in the middle of their lawn?